All right, guys, so we got this 2006 Toyota Highlander V6 that we're going to change the serpentine drive belt, and let's get to it. All right, guys, so the tools you're going to need for this job is going to be a 12mm socket, 14mm socket, a 12mm ratcheting wrench, your ratchet, flathead, and the belt. I'm going to put a link in the description for all the stuff. If you purchase something, thanks in advance because it helps the channel. Let's go. All right, guys, so once you get your hood open, oh, look at the legendary Honda Accord, the holographic. Once you get your hood open, we're going to go ahead to the passenger side, and we're going to be working on this side. So there's the serpentine drive belt right here, and we are going to be dealing with that bolt right there, and then the two bolts. Let me see if I can get you in here. And then this bolt, and then that bolt right there. So we're going to be dealing with both those bolts today. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we're going to come to the passenger, and we're going to go ahead and loosen this bolt first. Right there, it's a 14mm, so we're going to grab our handy dandy, break it loose, and be right back. All right, so that one we broke loose. Now we're going to go ahead and break that one on the side loose. That's our handy dandy 12mm. See if I can get you in there. Right there. Right there. Handy dandy 12mm. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen that bad boy, and we'll be right back. And now we're going to go ahead and break this one loose. So you want to break that one loose before you mess with this one. Let's go ahead and break that one loose with our handy dandy 12mm. Let's go. All right, so because there's limited space in here, this is what I do. So I'll break it with the ratchet first, just like on this side, and then once I have it broken, I just loosen it up with this handy dandy 12mm ratcheting wrench. So get you one of these, you're really gonna need it. Let's keep going. All right, guys, so after a short rainstorm, I loosened that bad boy up with my ratcheting wrench, 12mm, baby. And once you get it loose enough, you should be able to pop the belt off. See if I can get you a better angle. But if you're still having trouble, you can loosen it some more, but I'ma just pop it off. Just like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and be right back. A little finagling, and all right, so this is the old one. Let's see what the new one looks like. 6PK 1040. 6PK 1040. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. All right, so to get the belt back on, we're gonna go around that pulley right there, and then the compressor pulley right there, and then the alternator pulley. So it only goes around 3. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we got the belt on, all 3 pulleys, as you can see. Let me see, 1, 2, and then 3, right there. And it is kind of tough because it's pretty tight. So what I did was I stuck the flathead underneath the belt, and I just pulled it around like this. So you're gonna have to do that too. Let's keep going. All right, so let me get you in there. We're gonna go ahead and tighten that bolt to put pressure on the belt, and then once that bolt is tightened, I'll go ahead and tighten that side bolt right there, and then that bolt right there. So let's go. All right, so we got our belt nice and good and tight. Turned it on to make sure it's not making any noises. So we are finished with that bolt. Now we're gonna move down to the side bolt. All right, that side bolt is done. So that bolt right there is done. That bolt is done. And we are moving on to that bolt. Nice handy dandy 14mm. Let's go. All right, she's all nice and tight like I like it. And yeah, That's how you replace the serpentine drive belt on a 2006 Toyota Highlander V6, baby. And remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.